Hello grade 9 students, how are you? Hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to learn a new grammar lesson. Firstly, just for a couple of minutes, I want you to imagine that we are all together sitting in class and chatting about the situation we are passing through these days. Let's have the following conversation. The teacher says, "A blessed morning to everyone." A student replies, "Stay home, stay safe, blessed days for you too." The teacher then adds, "I want to ask about the most important thing you've learned back then." The student answers, "During the previous days, I've learned that being healthy is very important." After that, both the teacher and the students returned back home and reported what has happened in class. Let's discover together what is meant by reported speech. When we are reporting, what do we do? Firstly, reported speech is stating the exact meaning of what somebody has said without repeating the speaker's exact words and using quotation marks. Then, when we are changing from a quotation into a reported statement, we don't use quotation marks and we repeat what someone has said by using our own words and without any change in the meaning. Let's take the example given below. The student said, "I read these articles about health issues yesterday." If we want to report this sentence, firstly, if you look, we have quotation marks here. Then this is quoted speech. We want to change it into reported speech. How do we change? Firstly, we eliminate the quotation marks, then we delete the comma, and then we add that, which is optional. It means we can write the reported sentence with or without it. As you notice, the student said stays as it is, and then we add that. After that, we change the pronouns. The pronoun I becomes he, referring to the student. We can also put she if the student is a female. The fifth change, switch verb tenses. We have read here, it becomes had read. Read is in the simple past, it becomes past perfect, had plus past participle. And the last step, change time and place expressions. If you notice, we have these, it becomes those, and we have yesterday, it becomes the day before. So, the first sentence, the student said, "I read these articles about health issues yesterday," is a quoted sentence. It became reported, in which we say the student said that he had read those articles about health issues the day before. If you please, I want you all to check pages 187, 188, and 189 in the grammar book. These pages include all the rules regarding tense changes and the changes in time and the place expressions. I'll just show the first part, which is related to the present tense. Let's just have a look as an example. If you notice the present simple, our regular suppliers have some trouble. The present simple becomes past simple. He said that their regular suppliers had some troubles. Have became had. Simple present, simple past. The second example, present progressive. I am thinking of getting the steel sheets from new suppliers. It becomes past progressive. He said that he was thinking of getting the steel sheets from new suppliers. Present perfect, past perfect. If you notice here we have has gone, it becomes had gone. Present perfect progressive, which is have been working, it becomes past perfect progressive, had been working. You can go over them by yourselves through the next 2 pages as well. If we come for this week's assignment, your homework will be studying the rules on the given pages that were mentioned, plus solving practices 4, 5, and 6. In practice 4, you have to continue reporting by changing depending on the teller and changing the verbs to suit Frank's part. In practice 5, you have 9 sentences to be reported, and in practice 6, you have a short conversation, and it is followed by 9 sentences. You have to depend on the conversation in order to report the given sentences. Study well and good luck. Thank you.